Welcome to this house of worship, Caldwell Chapel, here on the campus of Louisville Presbyterian Theological Seminary. We are so grateful for those of you who gave generously to provide for the restoration of the roof of this chapel space. You know, we know that a building doesn't make community. People make community. But those people do need a space to gather, to laugh, to lament, to glorify, to give thanks. And so we give thanks for you. You've helped to ensure that this space is warm, is safe, is welcoming for all. That reminds me of a song, actually, one of my favorites. And I'd like to sing that song to you as a blessing and as a prayer. We hope that you will join us here soon, either virtually or in person. Thank you. Let us build a house where all are named, their songs and visions heard, and loved and treasured, taught and claimed as words within the word, built of tears and cries and laughter, prayers of faith and songs of grace. Let this house proclaim from floor to rafter, all are welcome, all are welcome, all are welcome.